Europress has supersized. Since arriving on New Zealand's shores in 2013, Europress has gained a reputation of being a high-quality, European manufactured piping system. But the best has just got better. Europress is now available in sizes 139.7mm and 168.3mm, the equivalent of 5 and 6 inch, known as the supersizes. You can now experience the faster, quicker and easier installation, no hot works, no consumables and consistency at every join. Europress Supersizes are suitable for pressures up to 16 bar or up to 25 bar on approved applications. All fittings come standard with EPDM O-rings, which is suitable for operating temperatures from -20 degrees to 95 degrees. There is also the Viton O-ring option available, which is suitable for operating temperatures up to 120 degrees. Tube and fittings are both 316L grade stainless steel and have the watermark approval for potable water applications. Europress Supersizes are used in many applications such as hot and cold water, potable water, high-rise water lines and services, compressed air, chemical lines, vacuum, glycol, electrical conduits. Let's look at the range of fittings available. Also keep in mind the Waterworks in-house prefabrication service, meaning Waterworks can offer custom manufactured fittings specific to your requirements. So why choose Europress Supersizes? From a weight perspective, the two supersizes come in 6 metre lengths, so to give some comparisons to other pipe materials over a 6 metre length, on average between the two sizes, Europress Supersizes are 29% heavier than standard dairy tube due to on average a 23% heavier wall. Compared to Schedule 10 stainless steel pipe, Europress Supersizes are 40% lighter. Scheduled 40 stainless steel pipe, 70% lighter. General purpose black pipe, medium grade, 58% lighter. General purpose black pipe heavy grade, 61% lighter. PPR SDR 11, 12% lighter. PPR SDR 9, 23% lighter. And PPR SDR 7.4, 37% lighter. For an installer, the lighter weight makes installation easier, especially when working at height or in a confined space. From a design perspective, the lighter weight reduces weight loadings on bracketing, which in turn can reduce bracketing costs and associated seismic requirements. From a capacity perspective, on average across the two sizes, Europress Supersizes offer a 9% larger bore than stainless steel dairy tube, 2% larger than Scheduled 10 stainless steel pipe, 6% larger than Scheduled 40 stainless steel pipe, 5% larger than general purpose black pipe, both medium and heavy grade, 2% larger than PPR SDR 11, 7% larger than PPR SDR 9, and 13% larger than PPR SDR 7.4. The larger bore reduces velocity, frictional loss, and in a pump system can reduce energy consumption whilst maintaining a comparatively similar physical size pipe. On top of this, you have the well-known Europress benefits of a modular piping system, meaning you can assemble the pipework prior to making the final join, allowing for any last-minute adjustments. Battery-powered pressing tools eliminate hot works, reducing fire risk and saving time completing hot work permits. Harmful gases are eliminated, reducing health risks, especially when working in a confined space. Likewise, electrical leads are eliminated, reducing trip hazards on site. Faster jointing time can lead to project savings and a reduction of downtime. For more information to discuss your piping projects, call us on 0800 Europress or email us at info@waterworksnz.co.nz.